Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about crystals. So, yeah. We're basically just going to be going through the life and progress of crystals, so let's begin. Anyway, let's just talk about crystals and the Earth. Hi, I think you need a description about your topic.
Oh, well, hi, my name is Enio, and
You want crystals!
oh,
Crystals can sometimes be shiny or see-through. They can also be colorful. They can also be used in vital instruments, and I don't have the brain to tell you which ones. But they can be used in microscopes, cameras, and lasers. Okay, good, but now how are they formed? Crystals are formed in a way called crystallization, but there are many other ways that they can form. Like when water evaporates, the material left behind can be crystals. But this usually will only happen in lake flats and rivers. Okay, now explain the layers of the Earth. The layers in the Earth are the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. The crust is the first layer. It's about 1,000 Celsius. The second layer is the mantle. It's about 3,000 Celsius. The third layer is the outer core. It's about 4,000 Celsius. The final core is the inner core. It's about 5,000 Celsius. 5,500 Celsius to be exact. Next is a rock cycle, smart style. The rock cycle is the process by which rocks change from one another from time to time. It involves three main types: sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic. Through natural processing like heat, pressure, and weathering, rocks can transform into different forms, constantly recycling through the cycle. Crystals play a role in the rock cycle by heat, pressure, and water. Okay, if you have no idea what I just said, it's pretty much just a process where rocks change from one type to another, like igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Alright, next are plate tectonics. The theory of plate tectonics explains that the Earth's outer shell, called the lithosphere, is divided into large rigid plates that float on the semi-fluid asthenosphere beneath. The plates are constantly moving, driven by forces like mantle convection, and their interactions at plate boundaries cause geological features like earthquakes, volcanic activity, and mountain formation. Next, we have the geological timescale. The geological timescale is a line that shows when things happen, like eras or eons. Crystals occurred in the Hadean eon. They have been very useful for dating geological events in ancient rocks. Next is the biosphere. The biosphere is the life. Crystals impact this by taking up energy use and chemical waste, and it wastes transportation. Next is the geosphere. The geosphere is the land we're pretty much walking on right now. Yeah, but aren't they sitting? Crystals help mineral formation and soil health. It also supports the ecosystem. Hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is the water. Crystals help by purifying water and helping the ecosystem by helping maintain the overall health of the aquatic ecosystem. Final is the atmosphere. The atmosphere is all the air. Crystals help by purifying and air quality. It also has an influence on wind pattern. Next are some impacts. One impact on society is that people who wore these stones were usually seen as rich or important. This was because they are rare and hard to find. They were owned by royalty. Today, crystals still hold a good status. They are often seen as wealth, jewelry, and success. Next are some economic impacts. Crystals impact money because crystals play a key role in driving, trade, creating jobs, and supporting luxury industries. It has this impact because of their value, their role in trade, and their influence on cultural practices and luxury markets. Its current status right now is good. The market is evolving, and the fairly sourced crystals stay strong. Next are political impacts. Crystals have an impact on politics through conflict financing, resource control, and environmental regulation. It has this impact because they are valuable resources that can fuel conflict. Right now, it's facing challenges from social concerns. Next are some innovations. First are advanced sensors. Scientists worked on this to improve the accuracy, efficiency, and safety of lots of other processes. So far, this work has been successful. Another innovation are laser cutters. Scientists invented this so they could cut things accurately, especially when working with fragile pieces. Right now, the work is successful because they help with less waste and materials. One final innovation are drills. Scientists invented this so they could make the progress more efficient and precise. The work has been successful because they've made harvesting crystals easier and less damage to the society or environment. Fun facts: crystals can grow over time. Crystals healing is an ancient practice. Each crystal has a unique shape. That's all for me.